Although archaeologists had found some petrified remains of fried cakes with holes in the center, it is still unclear how could the early Native Americans prepare these delicious fried dough desserts that we know today as doughnuts. In the past, doughnuts were known as oliekoeks, oily cakes, and the pilgrims from Holland are credited for bringing them to the United States. Those early doughnuts were often made with prunes, raisins, or apples in the middle. During World War I, the donut was already an American favorite, consumed by soldiers that were fighting overseas as a reminder of home. In the 1950s and the 1960s, the popularity of these treats was so big that new donut chains started appearing on the market, such as Krispy Kreme and Dunkin' Donuts, helping in the perception of donuts as breakfast food. Today, there are numerous varieties of donuts, glazed, powdered, filled, topped with frosting, coconut, peanuts, or sprinkles, and every year on the first Friday of June, people celebrate the National Donut Day. This event was initially created by the Salvation Army in 1917 as a way to support the morale of the American troops during World War I and was later re-established in 1938 in honor of those who served the soldiers with fresh donuts during World War I.